Hello friends. So today we are going to implement, or we can say that we are going to add system in domain for clustering of databases. So this is Windows side. We can see here that the system is not in domain. Okay, let's see. This is in work group. Okay, so how can we make this as add in a domain? Just we have to just change these settings here. Sorry, and then here we have to just change that. We have to provide a domain name which we have. Okay, so we can just name that let's this is a demo, so we can name like this. Okay, copy, paste, and it will ask for that admin domain account, user ID and password. So we have just admin. Okay, just for testing purpose we are creating. Okay, then we can reset all these things after the demo. And now paste and click. It will take some time. Okay, and or we also need to just provide a DNS name in that network. We can say that network interface. So we can just see from here ipconfig. Okay, so DNS is that default gateway don't have DNS here, so I think we need to add DNS here. That's why it is taking time. And yeah, okay, just wait for a minute. So see, the error is not reaching to that server. Okay, so just cancel this. Just we have to change that IP address. We have to just add DNS here in the network part, network settings center. Then we have changed adapter. Yeah, this is a network. Then we can go with the properties side, IPv4, and see this is DNS 888 default. Okay, so just we can remove this and pass what we have, that is 81. Okay, so 192.168.0.181. Okay, nothing else. Added, and then we can try here, close this one. Then we change that. Okay, PAW, and I think so that name is domain name PNW, sorry, PNW. Okay, hit OK, asking for add privileges, permissions. Admin, and then we have to provide the password here. Copy and then password. Now I think it will reach to that system, domain and all. Or we can just ask server team to add this host name to that, along with that IP address to DNS entry basically. Yeah, so this is welcome to the domain, it is added. It will ask for restart for committing all these things, so just restart now. Wait for a couple of minutes. So reconnect the same system. Okay, now let's see, and now we can see here, we can see in that let's see from here, we can also see that explorer, and then we have to validate that we have done same thing or not. So just click here and see the domain name. Okay, so domain is this system is added in the domain. Okay, thank you for watching. Please do not share, subscribe my channel. Thank you.